What's up, mi gente? So yesterday I went to graduation, and after graduation I came home and everything was gravy. And then this morning when I was driving to work, my sensor on my tire said tire pressure low. I was like, I don't know what that means. I see this tire right here low, and I was like, what the? And you know what I found? Yeah, this bum right here. So I ended up going to Advanced Auto. Got me this part right here. So everybody got to work. Anywho, you can't be it. You're too puny. The heck? So now we about to plug it up. About to rough you up. Face, break yourself, son. Yeah. Just a crying little baby right there. You little baby crying out here. Do me crying out this drum. Get your. I bet. Let go. That's how you do it. That's it? What else? Oh, that's it. That's it. Well, listen. Now you know how the dog gonna plug a tire up. I just jacked it up so I could relieve a lot of pressure from it or whatever, and then took the dog on screw out. Or boom. And did that. So you can do it, man. Just get you the tools. $10. That's what it cost me. $10 to fix my own tire up. Okay? You do the same thing. And I'm out. Pow, pow.